Mop up spills, clean surfaces and dry hands with Jantex's Centrefeed Blue Roll. Highly absorbent and highly effective, this versatile roll uses 2-ply paper, so it can tackle the toughest jobs without disintegrating. And there's plenty of it, as each roll has a length of 120 meters for long-lasting use. To minimize the environmental impact, the roll is made from recycled paper, and, if it's not heavily soiled, can be recycled and composted after use. The Centrefeed design helps minimize wastage. It means it can be used as a standalone roll or on a dispenser. Want to place the blue roll into a dispenser? It's easy to remove the core. Lay the roll lengthways on a flat surface. Press down firmly. Turn the roll and repeat. Stand the roll back up, reach inside, and pull the flattened core out. CHSA accredited to the highest standard, Jantex's Blue Roll is guaranteed to be stronger, longer, and more absorbent than others on the market. Whether you're cleaning, mopping, or polishing, this Blue Roll is the ultimate all-in-one kitchen towel.